Welcome back to Boilaafrica General Suppliers. In the coming video, I'm about to show you the process of a boiler maintenance service. Our certified technicians and engineers do boiler maintenance services monthly, quarterly, and even annually to make sure your boiler is up to standard. In this video, we have done a service maintenance for a small boiler. Have a look and enjoy.
For boiler and blocking of block APH and MDC line, we also do boiler running training and provision of cost-effective working team under our docket. Don't risk your system with untrained operations. For the best boiler discalling and casting services, we at Boilaafrica Group of Companies and Suppliers, we deliver the best. We at Boilaafrica Group of Companies and Suppliers, we deliver the best. We at Boilaafrica Group of Companies and Suppliers, we deliver the best.